Hi, climate in Monteria. Monteria is a city in the North Colombia. It is located on the bank of the Sinú River, which is called and the Pearl of Sinú, and he is considered the cattle capital. The climate of city of Monteria is warm tropical with a dry season and rainy season throughout the year. The average annual temperature of the city is 28 Celsius, with peak above 14 Celsius in the canicular season, and the average relative humidity is 78. January is the first month of the year, which is very warm. In which the temperature reaches 34.6 degrees, and there is only one rainy day this month. February reached 35.3 degrees of temperature. February is a month of much sensibility and warm, accompanied by breeze, which children enjoy to raise kids, and there's only one all month. March is characterized for being a month with a heat temperature of 35.8 degrees. You can tell he is very soon and hot, and which there is only probability of rain on 2 occasions. April. For the 7 average rainy days this month, the temperature drops a little at 35.6 degrees, making the warning more enjoyable. May. He is a month where he is not so hot for the 12 days of rain, with a temperature of 34 degrees, which made the weather very nice. June. He is also one of the months with more rain, are 12 average days in which there is a rain, which make your days very pleasant, with a temperature of 35 degrees maximum, where you can enjoy the festivals that are held this month in the city. July. The temperature reached an average of 35.2 degrees maximum, make the days sunny. There is also an average of 29 day rainfall, make the minimum temperature 33 degrees. August, with 13 days of rain. August is month where is rain the months in the year, which made the temperature with 34.5 degrees the days more enjoyable. September is a month with several rainy days. On average are 12 days throughout the month, making the maximum temperature 34.3 degrees. October. Temperature 33. Is a month with a climate that is not so hot. Your days are nice. There is a rain those 12 average day throughout the month. Only with 8 days of rain throughout this month, his temperature of 33.1 months is very nice. And December. This begins the last month of the year. His temperature is 33.5 grades maximum, which makes the month of December sometimes pleasant, in which only 3 days is likely to rain. We can enjoy with the family all the joy that characterizes his month. Thank you.